Take command of the road in the 2015 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized comfort and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.